Introducing the new 2x2 Ultra bike by Robo Systems. 2x2 Ultra is an all-terrain electric roll-con. With its low ground pressure tires, it never gets stuck. Moving over 3 feet deep snow, the bike only goes about 5 to 7 inches deep. The 2 energy-intensive shock absorbers on the back wheel ensures a pleasant ride every time. Energy-effective front LED lights provide great visibility. Frontal interface panel has a USB and 12 V slots. You can switch between 4-wheel drive and rear drive to save more power. The bike has 2 geared wheels with built-in high-torque motors. Lithium iron phosphate cells allow to operate 2x2 in low-temperature conditions. The battery rests in a sealed, waterproof insulated steel case and has the capacity of 2,000 charge cycles. A powerful charger fully recharges the vehicle in 1 hour. The 2x2 uses easily removable gasoline generator for longer trips of over 40 miles. The power reserve will only depend on the amount of petrol you're carrying. Using gasoline generator allows moving across tricky grounds without depleting the battery. The generator allows 2x2 remain mobile as long as it's tanked up. The built-in inverter will provide you with electricity outdoors and also allow you to use any power tool you wish to recharge. To charge your devices, you can put inverter battery inside the case to convert the battery energy into AC. This could be a personal power station with enough supply to sustain light sources and your mobile devices. The inverter provides enough starting currents to power up energy-intensive appliances such as heaters and various power tools. It takes less than 5 minutes to get the bike ready to swim. With 2 side floats, the bike can move across water surfaces by aid of its wheels at a speed of 2 to 3 miles per hour. You can bring it back to land mode just as easily. 2x2 Ultra bike is now available for purchase. For more details, head over to robo.systems.